Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called AppWork, okay? And maybe you've seen an ad for it online. It says you can make money by publishing apps. Let's check it out. Let's see if it's legit. How much money can you really make? Is this a good way for you to make money on the internet, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You can check that out if you would like. Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. Everything from, different sorts of websites, free make money online websites, surveys, watching ads, all sorts of different business models, different courses, and some of them are great ways and potentially you can make a lot of money, but a lot of them are actually very difficult and a waste of time because they pay very little money. Some of them are just straight up scams. So let's take a look at AppWork to see whether this is a good way to make money on the internet, right? Now, when you come to the website, if you have seen one of their ads, right, it says that it's a freelance platform, it's an app publishing platform, it's a unique platform. It's a little bit confusing, all right? But let's check it out and see what it really is. Now, if you scroll down, it compares itself to some of the biggest freelance websites out there. So Fiverr is a legit popular freelance website where you can find all sorts of work. So whether it's doing translation or designing something, logos for example, doing audio introductions for podcasts, checking spelling, grammar, all sorts of different things, becoming a virtual assistant. Upwork is exactly the same thing. I've hired many people through Upwork, okay? So let's see if Appwork is actually a freelance website, right? So if you scroll down, it says how can you start earning, and it says you need to first publish an app, okay? And you're like, publish an app, but does that mean that you have to know tech stuff and become an app publisher? It says it sounds complicated, but no special skills are required. If you have a computer and know how to take screenshots and are over 18, you're a perfect fit. In less than an hour you can publish an app. Sounds kind of weird, right? So what do you need to do? First register and then you can publish a task, right? So and then you can estimate your income right here, and it basically says if you publish one app, you make $55. If you publish 2 apps, you make $100. If you publish 3 apps, you make $166. So it seems interesting, but then it says compensation of developer account fees, one-time app pay. So this sounds like you need to actually pay $25 for publishing the app, which is interesting because that means you have to spend money in order to make money. So again, just be very careful right there, right? And then it says reward for the publication. It means that you get paid $15, and then reward for weekly update, $10. So maybe in a week, if it's successful, you make $25, so your money back. And then it says reward for finding an app on Google Play, 10 cents per day. So I'm a little bit confused about that one, all right? But then it gives you an example of the apps that have been published. Okay, it looks okay, right? And then it says this is how it works, okay? So you create an app. It is necessary for you to pay $25 to get a Google developer account. So you have to pay the $25, right? We will provide you with a ready-made mobile app, detailed instructions and assistance with any questions that the publication takes no more than an hour, okay? So they're gonna give you the directions to publish an app. Then after the publication, we will add another $15 to your balance, and these funds will be available for any, whenever, right? So they pay you back $15. So now you're down $10, and it says for each task, pay $8 to $15, and then the task will replenish daily. So you have to update the app, and then you'll get paid $8 to $15. So hopefully you will make a little bit of money there, right? That's where you get into profit, maybe. Maybe not. Let's take a look. Repeat from step 2. As soon as the updates are complete, the next task will be available to you. That means then you can, create another app. Okay. So this is really weird. I've never seen anything like this before. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. It sounds like they want you to publish their apps for them. You have to pay $25. You make $15 from them, and then every time you update the app, you make between $8 and $15, and then hopefully you will start to make a little bit of profit after that. Okay, so the funny thing about this is that actually they compare themselves to Fiverr and Upwork, but they are nothing like Fiverr and Upwork, okay? Because Fiverr is a legitimate freelance website where you can go and find lots of different micro jobs, okay? Whether it's design, becoming a virtual assistant, recording audio, editing video, so many things, sales, marketing, social media manager, everything. Upwork, exactly the same thing. Like I mentioned, I hire most of my people on Upwork. AppWork, on the other hand, doesn't sound like a freelance website. It sounds like they are trying to find people to upload different apps for them and create Google developer accounts for whatever reason. I don't know why they need to do that. And then they pay you for every app that has successfully been uploaded, but you have to front the $25 first. Okay, so sounds a little bit weird to me. It sounds a bit dodgy, a couple of red flags right here, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you can't really make money from this, okay? So I dug a little bit deeper to find out a little bit about these guys, and well, first of all, there's no information about them, okay? You can't really get in touch with them. There's no address, there's no phone number, so that's always a little bit sketchy, right? Red flags, again, usually you can find like an email address or a phone number, a way to reach these people, but you can't with AppWork. A little bit of a red flag right there. So I jumped and I went on to Trustpilot to find out a bit more about them. And the interesting thing about these guys is they've got a series of 5 stars and 1 stars too. 46% here, 29% here, right? Now, if you look at the 5-star reviews, it sounds very weird when the way that it's written. Okay. So AppWork is a platform that allows users to earn money by completing app published tasks. I found this site, and with the help of my friend, I earned more than $35 within a month, which is actually really little if you think about it. $35 a month is nothing, okay? The platform gives money for each completed task. One advantage of working with AppWork is that it provides a great opportunity to earn extra income while working on your own schedule. Another advantage of AppWork is that it provides a secure payment system and easy to transfer money to your account. I confirm that this is a great platform to earn money. Okay, first of all, who writes testimonials and reviews like that? It sounds fake to me. It sounds like AppWork paid somebody to write it because it sounds like a brochure. You know what I mean? Like, people don't write reviews like this, all right? They either say, I had a great experience, it was awesome, I'll definitely use it again, or something like that. They don't give you all the features and benefits of the app. It sounds like this is fake, to be honest, right? And if you read a lot of the 5-star reviews, they all kind of sound like that. So to me, that's a red flag. All right, it doesn't sound like a real review. It sounds like an ad, to be honest, right? Same here. Look, pros and cons. 5-star. I found AppWork via Facebook ads, and I got interested because of the simplicity of their workflow. Who writes testimonials like that? Nobody says stuff like that. You just have to follow the instructions on a given task, and you can get immediately paid for a successful task that you do. I like how their support team is very responsive, so if you have any queries, you can get your answers answered right away. Okay. Okay, I mean, the negative review is okay, but this sounds like a brochure right there. That doesn't sound right. Okay. Okay. AppWork is one of the best freelancing platform sites I've ever visited. It's not a freelancing website, by the way, because it doesn't offer freelance opportunities like Fiverr or Upwork. It just pays you to upload a developer account or an app through a Google developer account. Okay, so it's not a freelance website. Okay. All right, let's look at some of the negative reviews to see what the pattern is, okay? Right, so if we go to negative reviews, which is really interesting. It says, Google may terminate your account permanently. Guys, if you're concerned, then don't fall into the trap. They might pay you, but if anything goes wrong, like if any app gets published on the behalf of AppWork that doesn't comply with Google Play's policy, or if the app was previously removed from Google, I assure you that Google will terminate you. You will be permanently banned from Google Play, because you never know about the app and its developer. Please don't fall for this trap. Okay? In such a scenario, the app work and whoever is a real developer of the app remains safe, but you are terminated permanently from Google Play. This means you can't upload any more apps, not even allowed to create a new account. Okay? So that might be a concern if you want to upload any apps in the future. Same thing. I joined the platform, I paid the $25, opened a Google developer account. I was asked to upload a game. I did, and I was paid the $25 US. I was paid, and my $25 were returned. So far, it was good. Then I was asked to update the app. Again, it was easy, and I was paid. This went until the 3rd updating, when I got an email by Google saying my developer account was closed forever, and I shouldn't try opening another one. They just said that there were violations in the terms of the account and associated to previous banned accounts. Yeah, I want some money for me, and it was okay, but you should be aware that AppWork isn't doing it isn't legit. Okay, so what it sounds like is AppWork are paying people to open Google developer accounts so that they can upload as many apps as they want onto the account, because that's basically what they're looking for. They're looking for different people to create Google developer accounts, and they're uploading all sorts of weird apps onto Google Play. Some of them might be okay, but some of them might not be okay, and that's why people are getting their accounts banned. Okay, so you just have to understand that that's what AppWork is basically paying you for. They're paying you to create a Google developer account so that they can upload apps under your account name, and it might be okay or it might not be okay. So you may be able to make a little bit of money from this, maybe $25, maybe $18, maybe $50 over a period of time, but it's very likely that you're gonna get your Google developer account banned, and you might never be able to get it back if you even want to upload any apps in the future, which might be a problem for you, okay? So that's basically what this service is, okay? It sounds like they are just looking for people to create Google developer accounts for them, and then they're just going to kind of slam it with as many apps as they can. They don't really care if the apps are good quality or not, or whether it abides by Google's terms of service. And if it doesn't, then you get your app, your Google account shut down, and you may make a little bit of money. So they are legit in the sense that they do pay people, but you probably won't make that much money for that long because they're breaking a lot of rules. Okay, so that's kind of what AppWork is. It's not a freelance website. I don't know why they compare themselves to Fiverr and Upwork, because it has nothing to do with freelancing. They're just trying to buy people's ability to open a Google developer account, because they need a lot of Google developer accounts, because they're probably not uploading the most legit apps out there. Okay, so just be very careful. It's not that you can't get paid. It sounds like they will pay you a little bit of money, right? But the chances that you'll stay open is very slim. So you might make $45 and then you're gonna get shut down by Google Play, and then that's it. Then you won't make any more money from AppWork in the future. So you can decide whether you want to do that. You might make a quick $45 or $35 or whatever it is, and then that's it. You're done, right? With AppWork. So, you know, for me, it's a bit of a short-term way to look at making money online. I mean, if you're here to make money on the internet, if you're researching this, you should be investing in a high income skill set, not something short term like this where you get paid one time. I mean, yes, it's easy, but you get your account banned. You can never upload apps again onto Google Play, which might be a problem for you if you want to do that in the future. And $45 or $35 to get your account banned, I think is a very short term way to look at making money online. If you are here to make money online, you should be investing in a high income skill set where you can make hundreds of dollars a day for many, 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 many years to come. We're talking about decades and decades and decades, okay? Otherwise, don't do it. You know, don't risk your privacy, don't risk your personal information, don't risk the potential that you can't create something again online through a huge platform like Google. Google is a massive platform, so you want to be careful about the way that you do things online. You want to make sure that you're abiding by the rules and the terms of service, right? So if you're more interested in something like that, where you can actually learn a high income skill set and get paid big money instead of kind of like a one-off short-term thing where you make a couple of bucks. I mean, you know, $20-30 is nothing online. You should be making thousands and hundreds of thousands over the long term online, not a quick, you know, $45 or $35 or whatever it is, and then get your account banned on Google forever. That to me just doesn't sound like a thing that you should do, right? Or anybody should do, honestly, right? But that's completely up to you, okay? But if you would like to, you know, earn big income, learn a high income skill set, potentially get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month and more, my favorite strategy to do that, just go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you that straight to your email. You can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of AppWork, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.